Today's businesses experience significant friction between being productive with data versus securing it. We see adversaries exploiting this friction every day. For example, consider the following. The vulnerability management team notices a new CVE pop up in their analytics environment. Given the volume, variety, and rapid change rate of data in that analytics environment, it's difficult for the team to assess the impact of this vulnerability. Little did the team know, however, that a data engineer had previously moved new sensitive and material data that didn't match existing rules into that environment. And that data, which is material, is now reachable via this vulnerability. In no time at all, an adversary leverages this vulnerability and exfiltrates said data. I'm Pranav Aduri, CEO and co-founder of Bedrock Security. Preventing the above scenario is as much a security problem as it is a big data problem. And this is exactly why my co-founder and I built Bedrock. Our leadership has security expertise spanning Palo Alto Networks, Zscaler, and big data expertise spanning Rubrik and Cohesity. Bedrock aims to make data security frictionless by becoming the de facto security layer between data consumers, which include humans, machines, and applications, and data defenders in the security side. A key friction, as seen earlier, is that data changes and breaks static rules, like regexes. So we built a platform that skips the rules and automatically learns your data, while keeping up with the volume, the variety, and velocity of your data. Here's how we do it. Our core IP brings together highly performant data crawling and AI embedding that lets Bedrock rapidly learn what all data is material without brute force scanning or security teams needing to maintain regex rules. We call this adaptive sampling. To reduce friction between the data consumers and data security teams, we combine adaptive sampling with a second technology called trust boundaries. Simply draw a circle around the data you want to protect, and you're done. We think the world needs a frictionless way of protecting data. And we think everyone's world should look something similar to the following. The vulnerability management team notices a new CVE popping up in their analytics environment. But unlike other rule-based data security and DSPM tools, Bedrock has already learned the new type of material data that the data engineer had copied. Bedrock identifies that this material data is now reachable via this vulnerability. The SOC team can now prioritize responding to the leak by using Bedrock's built-in remediations. In the event that an adversary does begin exploitation, Bedrock's behavioral analysis will detect unusual activity on the material data, and Bedrock's complete forensics will tell you exactly what was impacted. A frictionless world where security leaders can embrace data explosion and enable the business to grow as fast as they need to. This is Bedrock. Welcome to frictionless data security.